Hey everybody, Taylor with GammaEdge here, coming at you with a quick market status for Monday, November 28th. Before we get going, I wanted to highlight to y'all that we will be closing our annual subscriptions tomorrow, the 28th. This applies to both bronze and gold membership. One thing I wanted to point out is annual membership does equate to 2 free months. So if y'all are wanting to take advantage of that, time to act is now. You can do that through our pricing page at GammaEdge.us. Here we have our general disclaimer. Give this a read when you're done, so let's move on. Here we have the tick US model. A couple things to point out here. Tuesday we saw a reversal in the cumulative tick. This persisted higher, ended at high of the week on Friday. Point two is cumulative tick is above the longest term moving average ribbon, that being the cyan line. This is constructive. What you can see, we're starting to compress here, but we want to see this moving average ribbon fully uninvert. This would be most constructive to the bulls. Here we have the tick ARCX model. You'll see that all signals are triggered on. A nice trending move higher throughout the week. We just talked about the US model. This moving average ribbon actually is uninverting, which is very positive to see. One thing to note, structure is similar to a couple weeks ago where quite extended the cumulative tick from the longer term moving average ribbon. So we should always be prepared for a retest of the moving average ribbon. This is completely normal action. So just something to be aware of here. Here we have our SPY Gamma dashboard from Friday morning. One thing to note, PlusGex did shift higher to 405. Need to see if this sticks headed into Monday with our morning updates tomorrow. 400 is still big gamma level, size of gamma, and the amount of open interest there. That's my line in the sand right now. Upside 405, downside 390, then 380. So those are the key levels for y'all. Here we have our SPY hourly chart. Gamma levels laid out 380, 390, 400, then 405 PlusGex. Here you can see on this time frame we are in between 400, 405. Not a ton to do here, kind of in the middle of the range. However, if we start to get to 405 or closer to 400, maybe good spots to risk against. One thing to note is you can see 390, big gamma level for a while. Basically found a bottom to the penny there. So again, pointing out the power of these gamma levels. Lastly, we have the SPY 2-minute chart. Just a zoom in view on most recent price action. See, we have some not necessarily gamma zones, but key TA zones, liquidity levels at 403 and 401.50. So again, tomorrow, just kind of looking to see how we interact within this range, or if we are able to kind of escape one way or another. So that's what I'm looking at. GammaEdge.us, where you can find us. Hit on our annual subscriptions earlier. It comes with a 2-week trial. Reads free to y'all. So with that, have a good night. Talk to you tomorrow.